morning. Welcome to ERP. In this session, I'll be presenting you about how to access ERP for students. If you want to access the ERP, there are two options available to you within the campus. One is accessing the ERP through local area networks, which is from the labs using desktops, and through wireless medium or Wi-Fi from your laptops or mobile devices or any other devices which uses Wi-Fi. Now there are two IP addresses. One is for LAN, local area networks, and the second one is for Wi-Fi. Now if you want to connect to the ERP using the local area networks, then you can use http://10.45.10.13:8084/KLU_new. You will be connected to ERP through the local area networks. Now if you want to connect to the ERP using wireless or Wi-Fi, then you have to use the IP address 172.16.15.5:8084/KLU_new web to connect to the course management module through Wi-Fi. Now if you use the local area networks or the wireless networks, you will be connecting to the same ERP. Now if you want any other information, or if you want to share any problems regarding the ERP, if you want to give any suggestions to upgrade the ERP or improve the ERP, you can just contact us through informationcenter@kluniversity.in. You can just mail us with your problems, suggestions, or any queries to informationcenter@kluniversity.in, or you can just mail to psaikiran@kluniversity.in. So I am professor in charge for information center to take care about implementation of ERP in the campus. Or you can also contact Mr. S. Venumadhav through vmsunkara@kluniversity.in. You can just send a mail to any of these mails to address any of your issues, problems, or suggestions. Each department is having a representative who is a member of information center, who will be having the details about the ERP, the problems, or any issues, so they can help you regarding the ERP. Now if you forgot your passwords, if you forgot your usernames, if you have any problems with the ERP, if you want to suggest anything to the ERP, you can contact any one of these members of the information center. So we are all responsible for implementing the ERP in the campus. Now to access ERP, you need to go to any browser, whether it may be the Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox or any browser which you use, and depending upon whether you are using an laptop or the desktops, you have to use one of these IP addresses. Now I am providing this session through the laptop, so I'll be using the IP address of the laptop, which is nothing but 172.16.15.8084/KLU_new web. So press enter. Automatically you will be having the web guru login page, where you need to provide the username and password which is given to you. Every student is given a username for his registration number. Now the usernames, if you forgot the username, they are available with the information center in charges of your department. You can contact any of the information center in charge or member of the information center of your department, and they can provide you with your username. If you forgot the password of the username, you can just click on this forgot password option, where you will be provided with an email ID. Now this email is your email ID which you have registered with the ERP, and then press the user ID. If you forgot even this email ID, then you can just contact psaikiran@kluniversity.in or any of the information center member so that they can provide you with the user ID as well as the email ID, or even they can reset your password and give it to you. If you forgot the password and if you enter this email and user ID, the password would be sent to you and you can change the password later. Now you can enter the username and the password for that particular username. I am using one of the username and passwords of the students to show the working of the ERP. Now once you enter the username and password, it will take you to the dashboard of the course management module. Now what do you mean by the dashboard of the course management module is, it will display all the courses that you have taken up to now. So if you see this one, first it will display all the courses that you are currently taking up in the semester 4, and then it will display the subjects or the semesters or the courses which you have taken in the previous semester. So semester 4 and semester 3. Now this dashboard consists of all the courses, and it will have the details about the latest announcements, the faculty name, and any content. It will just give an overview about the content which is provided in the ERP. Now if you see this one, the first column is academic year, so 2013-14 is the academic year, and coming to the semester, it is semester 4. The third column is the course code. Now as far as the course code is concerned, we have followed LTP structure of our course content even in ERP. Now LTP is nothing but lecture, tutorial and practical. So lecture is the one which takes care about theory part of the course, and tutorial hour is the tutorial hours of the course, and P is nothing but the lab of that particular course. Now everything is divided to provide transparency in this LTP structure. Now if you want to see the theory part of the course, then you can select the course by clicking on that particular course, and if you want to see the details about the lab, then you can click on the course code where it gives the P. Now coming to the next thing, it will display the faculty name corresponding to the course, so the faculty who is dealing with that particular course. The next one is the recent content. If you see this one, it will display the content, new content in the last 2 days. Now it will just display the new content if there are any in the red column, red mark. Okay, since there are no new content in the last 2 days, no column is displayed with a red content. Now for example, if you want to select, you can select the last 10 days and see if there are any new content in the last 10 days. So if you see this one, there are some new content which were posted in the last 10 days. So this dashboard will provide you an overview about what is the latest content or the new content posted in the last 30 days. It will provide you an option to see the last 30 days content part of it. The overall attendance will give you the details about the attendance of this particular semester in all the subjects. So this is about the dashboard. Now for example, if you want to see what is the latest content, the new content which has been added in the 7 days. Now if you want to directly see what is the new assignment that has been posted, if you see this one, there is one new assignment that has been posted by Shivanageshwar Rao, who is a faculty member of operating systems, in the assignment. So you can just click on this assignment to directly go to the assignment that has been posted by your faculty member. So this is how you can go. That is one way of going to the assignment or any content. So from the dashboard, okay, you can go directly to the content from the dashboard. So the announcements will have the details about the announcement, assignments, tests, mail, course content. All this information will be provided in the dashboard. So you can go directly to the content by clicking on the new content, or the another way is to click on the subject which you want to see. Now for example, if you want to see the content of database management system, which is a theory, which is being offered by Dr. J.K.R. Shastri, then you can click on the course. Now it will take you to the database management system specific course. Now all the content which is listed here belongs to database management system. You can see the individual contents of the database management system. So this is one way of going into the course. Or if you are not interested in seeing all the content of the course, and if you are interested to look at only the new content, then you can just directly click on the new content. Now let us select the DBMS being offered by Dr. J.K.R. Shastri, and I will just take you through the options that are available in this particular module.